Good morning, what up, y'all? Oh my god, am I zooming in? Yes, I am. I am up. I have washed my tail. And what am I doing? I washed my tail and I just made me a smoothie. I just made me a little smoothie. Bananas, a green apple, a red apple, a piece of cucumber, a piece of ginger, frozen bananas, frozen mixed berries, soy milk, and my tea blend that I leave out overnight. You know, it's nettles, oat straw, red raspberry leaf, and ginger that I put in that. Now I just pour boiling water over and close it real tight and leave it out to my infusion, y'all, for this baby. So yeah, I hope that today is the day that I finally go and pack my bag. Here I am, 38 weeks and some change, and still have not packed this daggone hospital bag. I packed the baby's bag, that's it. Neither my husband or I have packed our hospital bags. And that's horrible because this baby can come at any daggone time, you know? What else I'm trying to say? Yeah, this baby could come at any time. But to be honest, the way that I'm feeling and everything that I felt about this pregnancy has come to light. I think that I'm gonna make it past 40. I think that I'm gonna make it past 40, but I won't need to be induced. Like, she gonna come on her own. I don't think I'm gonna meet the threshold of, like, you know, going towards 42 weeks. At least I hope not, but I don't think so. But I think I will go over 40 weeks. But you know, only God would tell. Only the baby, you know, will let me know. Or the baby will come when she feel like it, basically. But yeah, I'm finna enjoy my smoothie. My husband is still obsessed with all of the media coverage on the election. Like, I'm over it. Just tell me who's gonna win, you know. Boom. All of this drama, all of this, all my children drama they got going on. I'm not for it. But yeah, he is into it, and he never even been to the state. Like, it will not affect his life in any way. But yeah, he's really interested in it. But yeah, if we do something else, maybe I'll cook something today. Or at least show what I eat, show what I'm eating for the day and what we doing for the day. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that I will pick this camera back up and holler at y'all again. Okay. But I need to drink my smoothie because this is the first thing I'm eating today. And your girl hungry, okay? Bye, y'all. Hello, people. I am back. After I drank this smoothie, I was sleepy and I went upstairs to go to sleep. But I knew the way my mind set up, I couldn't rest. Because my husband I made him a stew with some turkey in it. Fried turkey. And he down to like the last 2 or 3 pieces in there. And I told y'all, you gotta stay ahead of his stomach. So I just figured I would make it easy on myself. Came down here to the kitchen. I have cleaned up everything because I can't cook if the kitchen is. I cannot. And yeah, I got some palm oil right here heating up. We're gonna add some sliced. This is a half of a yellow onion, and this is a whole really small red onion. I sliced it really thin. We're gonna put that into the oil along with this locust bean that has it was in the freezer and I had some broccoli in there and the bag must get a hole in it. But anyway, we're gonna add the onions and the locust bean into this here palm oil. Right here is just some rice that I had soaking while I was cleaning up and stuff, and I just salted it and it's just boiling and cooking. But over here, what we need to do right now, right here, I didn't even tell y'all what I'm making. I'm making Efo Riro. Okay? So that's what I'm finna make. Right here, I have, I think, 3.5 or maybe 4, no, 3.5 onions, a big hunk of ginger, and some garlic. Maybe like 6 garlic cloves, and a little bit of water just to get the blender going. I'm gonna blend this smooth. I'm gonna blend this smooth because I have 3 habaneros right here and 4 bell peppers that I'm gonna add to the blender. But I don't want it smooth. I'm just gonna pulse it. I just want it chunky, okay, for the Riro. And then I have the spinach my husband did for me, cause he bought more spinach, and then I bought some spinach from what's that, Amazon, and he did it. You know, he chopped it up and washed it, and what's that called? Put the boiling water on it. So yeah, I'm finna blend these onions and stuff up, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks after I put the big peppers and the small little hot peppers in there, and how it looks after I do that. All right. Okay. So I put the 3 scotch bonnets in there whole, and then the 4 big peppers I just split, I cut them in half. Wait. I cut them in half, and then I just literally broke it up into big chunks with my hand into the blender, and I just pulsed it until I get this. See if I can't open it. So yeah. So it's super duper chunky. As you can see, you got the, maybe, I hope y'all can see, you got big. I just kept pushing the pulse button. So you see that? I think you can see it better now. That's what I did. And I'm finna add this into our palm oil. I put my locust bean in there already. And then I'm just gonna let it fry, let it cook. And then I'll be back to show y'all what I do next. So this is how it looks after I get it in there and like a bit stirred with the palm oil. And you just want to just cover it and just let it fry, okay? Don't bother it, just let it fry. And you will see once it starts to frying, it'll be kind of like foamy. It'll look kind of foamy, like bubbly a little bit. And once that stops, then your mixture is pretty much finished. You'll be able to tell. I just want to show y'all that part. And then we'll add our stock cubes, salt if we need it, and yeah. Okay, so y'all see like this little foaming that's starting to start. That's what I mean, like little bubbling like that. Okay, it's just the water and stuff cooking out of the onions and the bell pepper and stuff like that. But yeah, just want to show y'all that. And I just want to show y'all the kitchen. Oh my God. How important it is, well, in my opinion, to clean as you cooking. That way after you cook, all you gotta do is eat. Okay? That's just some water. That's a recycling bag. This is the trash bag from what I just did. My husband's supermarket. We need to find a better place for that. But yes, that makes me so happy because I'm over here cooking. But you couldn't even tell. Like when I finished cooking, you can't even tell I've been in here and they cooked like 3 meals. And yeah, like I told y'all, this just the spinach we're gonna add to this. This is the FO part of the FO Riro. Efo just means like vegetable. So I'm just trying to let it thaw as much as it can, so we can put it inside of our pepe mixture, onion and pepe mixture. And I think the rice is just about finished. My husband eats a lot of rice at a time, so just to ensure that I get a few scoops myself, I always make a lot. And like I said, I did salt this, so I'm gonna check and see. Just for y'all, I'm gonna use a different spoon, because I will use this spoon right here. They got palm oil all over it. I'm gonna use a clean spoon. I just want to check if the water is out. Okay. Ooh. So I'm gonna oops. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, that's just some quality filming right there. Yeah, but the bottom is just about dry. When you cook your rice, y'all, let all of the water cook out of it, okay? As soon as all of the water cook out, cut the fire off and don't remove this. Let it steam. And then after it get through steaming, you know, let it steam for about 10 minutes. Then after you get through steaming, fluff your rice, so you know it can be nice and fluffy, and it's not all like stuck together and sticky at the bottom. That's another reason why I soak my rice for like a few hours before I cook it, so that I can make sure that all that starch gets out, so that while I'm cleaning it and stuff, most of that starch has come out, so my rice always be, you know, fine on the bottom. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna be back once this finishes. Well, once we move on to the next step. Alright. Okay, guys. The only thing that I did was, obviously you can see, I put the vegetable there, our Efo, and I added 3 stock cubes and a little bit of salt. So we're just gonna let this cook for a couple minutes, and it's finished. Like, it's done, and that's it. Boom. As you can see, the palm oil, well, no, you can't. As you can see, the palm oil is already starting to rise to the top, and the vegetable, it doesn't take that long to cook. It's just spinach, but we'll leave it for a minute. There's our rice over there, still steaming away. Nice and fluffy and dry. That's our rice. And yeah, we almost ready to eat, because my husband hasn't eaten anything, and all I had was this smoothie. Well, I just took him a carrot and a little bag of ready salted chips. Just to, well, I took him that like 30 minutes ago. But anyway, yeah, like I said, this gonna finish cooking, and then we're gonna eat. So we can eat this with this pot of rice. And I got beans and stuff that I like to cook, so you know, we can eat this with rice, or my husband gonna eat this with ever, you know, if he get, when he gets out of the rice. And me, I got beans I can eat this rice with, or you know, I'm just eating it like that. But yeah, once I get it plated up, I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finished product, and I already made our plates. This is mine in my little pineapple bowl. This is my husband's big old bucket of rice here. And this is a piece of turkey from the stew I made him the other day. So, yes. Alright, look y'all, let's go and take this person his plate. Watch how happy he get, y'all. Watch how happy he get.
Wow, Jamila.
Dummy.
Jamila, tell me, you know.
Just stress myself.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, he's so
I know. Thank you so much.
I put you one turkey on there.
How about your food?
He's in there in my bowl.
No, I'll take everything from her.
I'm going in there.
How about you gonna eat?
I'm finna eat this FO and rice.
Rice?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna waste that we can eat together.
Okay, thanks. That's very nice. You gonna get your blanket?
Alright.
So we don't waste it. Okay, y'all. Well, this is me. I'm about to eat. And then we'll get our reactions, I guess. Gotta get the phone. I was eating these while I was cooking. The laptop. Oh. Yeah. Let's see if he love it, y'all.
Yes, what's called the vegetable? You know, it looks so green, so this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me taste it.
Can let in up to 300 supporters. That will include Ross County's Premiership match against Livingston tonight.
Okay.
You love it?
Yeah. This is really nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And I put you one turkey on there.
Absolutely.
Because maybe you want to eat the rest with some elbow or with some rice. I don't know.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. That was it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Make a food.
This mine's, y'all. But yeah, y'all should already know I'm gonna like this because I'm crazy about vegetables, really. Like dark leafy greens, I love them. And my baby too. Every time I eat salads or like have a soup like this, have a lot of greens and stuff, she just acts crazy. And I'm hoping that's because she like it. But she always jumping around for it. But yeah, we gonna eat, and if we do something else, of course, y'all will be the first ones to know. Okay.